Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you collection Rustic Beauty wooden project ideas that meets modern style to craft your way to profit and purpose. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Crafting rustic wooden projects is far more than just a creative pastime. It's a journey into the heart of craftsmanship, sustainability, and self-expression. It is a chance to embrace the timeless beauty of wood, to feel the grain beneath your fingertips, and to transform raw, organic material into something that holds meaning, function, and charm. The world of rustic woodworking opens a gateway where art meets purpose, where passion can evolve into profit, and where even the simplest pieces, born from reclaimed timber, forgotten planks, or aged barnwood, can carry stories that captivate hearts and homes alike. It's about blending natural imperfections with design ingenuity, allowing every knot, curve, and texture to become part of a larger narrative of authenticity and beauty. Whether you are a hobbyist looking for an escape from the digital rush of modern life, or an aspiring entrepreneur seeking to build a brand rooted in sustainability and creativity, rustic woodworking provides endless opportunities to create pieces that are not only stylish, but also deeply meaningful. In an age where mass production has stripped furniture and decor of individuality, handcrafted rustic pieces stand as symbols of originality and soul. Every handmade chair, table, shelf, or wall art piece carries with it the spirit of the maker, a unique imprint of creativity and effort that no machine can replicate. Rustic wood design thrives on imperfection. It celebrates the cracks, weathering, and organic patterns that tell the story of time. This is what makes rustic woodworking so compelling to modern buyers. They don't just want furniture. They want art that feels alive, personal, and conscious. The warmth of reclaimed wood, with its subtle flaws and rich patina, brings nature back into our living spaces, softening the sleek, sometimes sterile tones of modern interiors. Each piece acts as a reminder that sustainability and elegance can coexist beautifully, offering homeowners both aesthetic pleasure and ethical value. When you craft rustic wooden projects, you're not only creating something for the eye, but something for the soul. The process of shaping raw wood into a finished product mirrors a meditative rhythm. Each cut, sand, and polish is an act of mindfulness. The scent of freshly cut timber, the tactile pleasure of smoothing a surface, and the satisfaction of fitting each piece together perfectly connect you to nature in a deeply personal way. There's an unspoken dialogue between the craftsman and the material, an understanding that wood, though once alive, still holds an essence of vitality. Every time a new project takes form, you're preserving that life and giving it a new purpose. It's this balance between respect for nature and the drive to create that lies at the heart of every rustic woodworking masterpiece. Moreover, rustic woodworking isn't just about artistry. It's a smart and sustainable business opportunity. Today's conscious consumers are increasingly drawn to eco-friendly decor that tells a story and reflects their values. They crave authenticity, and rustic furniture offers exactly that. By repurposing reclaimed materials or using ethically sourced wood, crafters can produce high-demand, low-impact products that appeal to a growing audience of environmentally aware buyers. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Whether you're selling handmade coffee tables at local markets, building custom dining sets for boutique clients, or creating small decor items for online shops, rustic designs hold immense potential. Their versatility allows them to fit seamlessly into both traditional and modern interiors, ensuring broad appeal. From minimalist Scandinavian spaces to cozy farmhouse homes, rustic wood has the power to complement and elevate any aesthetic. But beyond commercial success, there's something profoundly fulfilling about watching a piece of wood evolve into a functional piece of art. Each finished creation represents not just hours of labor, but also vision, patience, and heart. The satisfaction of crafting with your own hands, of seeing your imagination take physical form, is unlike any other creative experience. It's empowering to know that what you make can outlast trends, that it will become part of someone's home and daily life. In that sense, rustic woodworking is both timeless and deeply human. It bridges generations, reminding us of the enduring beauty of simplicity and skill. As a rustic woodworker, your work doesn't just decorate homes. It connects people to nature, to craftsmanship, and to a slower, more meaningful way of living. In every table or wall hanging, you embed a story of preservation, creativity, and respect for resources. It's a conversation between the maker and the material, but also between the piece and the person who owns it. Each creation carries a sense of purpose, offering more than utility. It becomes a reflection of the values we choose to live by. That's why rustic wooden projects continue to thrive in an ever-changing world. They remind us that beauty doesn't come from perfection, but from authenticity and intention. The joy of rustic woodworking also lies in its accessibility. You don't need a massive workshop or expensive tools to start. What matters most is imagination and care. A few reclaimed boards, some basic hand tools, and a passion for design can be enough to craft pieces that turn heads and warm hearts. Every project you begin, whether a simple stool, a wall-mounted shelf, or an intricately designed lamp base, teaches patience, precision, and creativity. Over time, you'll discover your unique artistic voice and the kind of rustic aesthetic that resonates most with your audience. Perhaps it's raw and rugged, celebrating weathered textures and rough edges, or maybe it's refined rustic, smoother finishes with subtle earthy tones. Either way, your work will speak a language that transcends trends, the timeless language of handcrafted wood. What makes rustic woodworking especially rewarding is that it naturally blends creativity with sustainability. By reclaiming wood that might otherwise be discarded, fallen branches, old beams, or scrap timber, you contribute to a cycle of renewal. Every piece saved from waste and turned into art is a statement against throwaway culture. You prove that true beauty doesn't have to come from new resources. It can emerge from what's already around us. In doing so, you become part of a larger movement of eco-conscious creators shaping a future where craftsmanship and conservation coexist in harmony. In the end, crafting rustic wooden projects is a celebration of life, of art, and of nature's enduring gifts. It invites you to slow down and reconnect with the materials that built human civilization, yet still continue to inspire modern innovation. Every creation you make, every table, frame, sculpture, or decor accent is more than just an object. It's a legacy of care and creativity. Whether you sell your work or keep it for your own home, the reward remains the same. The profound satisfaction of knowing that you've transformed something raw and forgotten into something beautiful, purposeful, and lasting. So, as you embark on your rustic woodworking journey, remember that this is your chance to embrace the joy of creating stylish, eco-conscious designs that stand the test of time. You're not just shaping wood, you're shaping stories, memories, and values. Whether driven by passion or the promise of profit, every project you craft adds your unique voice to the world of sustainable design. Through each cut, curve, and finish, you become part of a community of makers who see beyond the surface, who know that in every grain of wood lies the potential for art, purpose, and connection. In the rhythm of your tools and the scent of your workshop, you'll find not just creation, but meaning, proof that when you craft with heart and respect, you don't just build furniture, you build a future. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked rustic beauty wooden project ideas that meets modern style to craft your way to profit and purpose. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, Stay safe and stay blessed.